So do you buy organic vegetable or non-organic vegetable? What do you think? You may ask, what do you buy? Welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Cooper Dockery. I'm a board certified internal medicine doctor. I've been practicing for over 30 years, and I enjoy teaching my patients how to live healthy and take a holistic approach to health. And that is why I'm here today, and I want to share my knowledge with you so that you can live a healthier lifestyle. So there are a lot of people who ask, what type of vegetable and fruit should I buy? Should I buy organic or should I buy non-organic? So you may ask me, what do you buy, Dr. Cooper? I buy a mixture, organic or non-organic. So what is the most important thing? The most important thing is for you to ensure that you're getting 4 servings of fruits and vegetables in your diet every day. 4 servings of fruits, 4 servings of vegetables. I'm going to show you how to wash your fruits and veggies, because the reason why people are interested in organic or non-organic is the pesticide or the fertilizers. What do? I can show you how to remove some of the toxic agents that might be on your fruits and veggies. So you get your container of water. You're going to use baking soda. You're going to use 1 teaspoon of baking soda to 2 cups of water. And then you're going to leave the fruits and veggies there for about 15 minutes. Then you're going to rinse them and you're good to go. So I have my water here prepared already. I already added the baking soda. All right, so you're going to put your vegetables in the water. This water already has my baking soda. You're going to put all your veggies and fruits to soak for about 15 minutes. So you have a lot of water here. It might spill over, but that's okay. We just have to dry it up. So we put all of these vegetables to soak in our water. I'm going to put my strawberries. This is serving 8 strawberries. Now I'm full. So now I have left these here 15 minutes soaking to remove some of the chemicals that we see on our vegetables. Because remember that with these veggies and fruits, you should also consume the skin, because in the skin you have vitamins and minerals, and you have good nutrients that you need to consume. So you don't want to peel these vegetables. So we're going to wash them nicely. We're going to take them out, and they're ready for us to use. So we're just going to wash them and let them soak though for 15 minutes. And then we're ready to go. Okay, now if you're planning to do celery drink, so you're going to use a lot of celery for several days, then I advise you to buy organic, because you're going to put a lot of this particular vegetable in your diet. All right, so these are washed and they're ready to go. Feel free to use them. And remember, you need 4 servings of fruits and 4 servings of vegetables per day. And listen, if you have enjoyed what I just told you, then follow me. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, and also hit the notification button.